Albert Einstein, a name that has become the global symbol of genius. A man who didn't just study the universe, he redefined it. From a quiet, curious child who spoke late to a revolutionary thinker who gave the world the theory of relativity, Einstein's life is a story of curiosity, courage, rebellion, and brilliance that shaped modern science forever. Today we uncover the extraordinary journey of the man who changed how humanity sees space, time, and reality itself. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. Contrary to what many believe, Einstein wasn't a top student in school. In fact, he was slow to speak, often preferred thinking alone, and disliked strict memorization-based education. But what he did have was endless curiosity. At age 5, his father gave him a simple compass. Einstein stared at it for hours, shocked that an invisible force made the needle move. He later said, "That experience made a deep and lasting impression on me." This moment planted the seeds of a lifelong obsession to understand the invisible laws of the universe. Einstein grew frustrated with the rigid German schooling system and eventually dropped out. He wanted freedom to think, imagine, and question everything. He later joined the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, a place that welcomed creative thinkers. Here, Einstein developed his unique learning style. He learned by visualizing problems. He imagined himself riding alongside beams of light. He questioned every rule in physics. His classmates memorized formulas. Einstein tried to feel them. After graduation, Einstein wasn't considered employable. Professors thought he was too rebellious, too independent, too different. He applied for many jobs and failed. Nobody wanted a young physicist with strange ideas. Eventually, he found work at the Swiss Patent Office. This job would unexpectedly become the launchpad for his greatest breakthroughs. Working on inventions all day gave him time to think deeply, quietly, and freely. In 1905, Einstein published 4 papers that changed science forever. Experts call this his annus mirabilis, his miracle year. 1. The photoelectric effect: light behaves like a particle. This paper earned him the Nobel Prize. 2. Brownian motion proved that atoms exist. 3. Special theory of relativity rewrote our understanding of space and time. 4. mc2 energy and mass are interchangeable. This is the most famous equation in history. These ideas were so revolutionary that most scientists didn't believe him at first. But slowly, the world realized Albert Einstein had reshaped physics forever. Einstein wasn't done. He believed gravity wasn't just a force, it was a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself. In 1915, he presented the general theory of relativity, considered one of the most beautiful ideas in science. In 1919, a solar eclipse proved his prediction. Einstein instantly became a global celebrity. Newspapers around the world wrote, "Light bends, Einstein's theory confirmed." He became the face of modern science, the symbol of genius. Einstein wasn't just brilliant, he possessed extraordinary character traits that made his discoveries possible. 1. Endless curiosity. He asked why every single day. 2. Imagination. He solved problems using thought experiments, not tools. 3. Fearlessness. He challenged Newton, the greatest scientist before him. 4. Rebellion against tradition. He refused to follow the rules of conventional thinking. 5. Passion for humanity. He spoke for peace, equality, and human rights. 6. Deep humility. Despite worldwide fame, he remained simple and grounded. These qualities made Einstein not just a scientist, but a visionary. Einstein moved to the United States in 1933, escaping the rise of Nazi Germany. He spent his later years teaching at Princeton University. He used his voice to fight for peace, justice, civil rights, freedom of thought. He once said, "Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile." Einstein passed away in 1955, But his ideas continue to guide modern physics, from black holes to the Big Bang. Albert Einstein showed the world that genius isn't about being perfect in school. It's about thinking differently, imagining possibilities others cannot see, and never stopping the pursuit of truth. He didn't just revolutionize physics, he rewrote our understanding of the universe.